Hello everyone, this is Quarantine Sucks here at Belmont Station in Illinois, Railfanning. This is going to be my first YouTube video, and here we have a Burlington Northern Santa Fe freight train. Really windy. I'm sorry for the audio. Actually, I do believe it is stopping. Oh, would you look at that? We got an approach from Chicago coming on the opposite track. Nice. Real nice. Yeah, this thing's slowing down. And here's the end of the train. Alright, well that's the end of part one, because I need to make these videos short so it doesn't take up so much space on my phone. Alright, see ya real soon.